Literally everybody and their mama is talking about ChatGPT, how to use it to make money online, how to use it to start a business. I haven't seen anybody talking about how to use it to grow a brand, specifically a clothing brand. We're really living in the best time to make money, and not just make money, but to make impact, to have impact on people. Social media, businesses, like whatever it is, it's just so easy with the tools that we have. So in today's video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about 6 ways that you could use ChatGPT to blow up your clothing brand. My name is Eddie Scott. In 2020, I founded a clothing brand with my cousin called Say Less Lifestyle, and we have grown that brand from literally $0 to it's now a 6-figure business, have 500K followers on TikTok, 80K on Instagram. And now that I'm sitting here making this video, I wish that they would have came out with ChatGPT sooner, because the stuff I'm about to share in this video is actually crazy. Like, this joint will really help you to make it with your clothing brand. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. The 6 ways to use this thing to blow up your clothing brand. All right, so let me go ahead and load up my computer here. Let's load up this ChatGPT. You just go ahead and type in ChatGPT on Google, boom, click that first link right there. It'll take you to this little home page. You just go to try ChatGPT and it will have you log in, but I'm already logged in. So this will be the interface that you see right here. Very simple. So you got the little text box to ask whatever you want. Number 1 is naming your brand. So if you're first out starting your brand, you're gonna wanna come up with a good name. A name is everything. A name is literally how people know you. And so if you're kind of like trying to figure out what you should name your brand, you're kind of running into a stumbling block, a creative block on like what you should name it, you can't think of any ideas, this tool right here will really help you. Let's just say you want your clothing brand to be about men's streetwear fashion in New York City. Let's just say that. You can ask it, what should I name my clothing brand that's based on men's streetwear fashion in New York City. Boom. And here we go. You'll see NYC Street Threads, Big Apple Streetwear. It could be good options for a men's streetwear fashion brand. Another option would be 5 boroughs, blah, blah, blah. So it just gives you a whole bunch of different ideas. And like, you know, you could take it. You don't got to take these verbatim. You could take these and, you know, put your own spin on it. Just use it for inspiration. Like, that's really crazy. Like, that it comes up with that. I can even go in here and say, what should I name my brand that's based on women's fitness? And it just give you some names. Like, it's really crazy. So if you need a good name for your brand, this is definitely a good way that you could do it right here. Just literally type in some ideas that you have and let it work. All right, so way number 2 is to find competitors. And you're probably thinking like, why do I need to find competitors? Like, this is for my brand. Yes, but you should know who's in your space. If you have a men's fitness brand, if your brand is based around fitness, it's based around streetwear, you need to know who the top brands in that space are. Not only so that you can know who you're competing against, but so that you can study them. Success leaves clues. And so I'm gonna go in here right now. I'm gonna say what are the top brands in the men's fitness? I'll say what are the top clothing brands? If I can type, what are the top clothing brands in the men's fitness niche? Boom. All right, so as you see, it'll say some of the top clothing brands in the men's fitness niche include Under Armour, Nike, Adidas. We probably knew. Reebok, Lululemon. That's nice. Rome, that's one I never heard of. Gymshark, I've heard of them. So yeah, I give you a whole bunch of different ideas. And you know, this was a pretty generic example. Like, most of us know about Under Armour, Nike, Puma. But yeah, whatever your niche is, whatever your brand is about, definitely go in here, get some inspiration. That's really what this is all about. You know, this isn't gonna, you know, run your whole clothing brand for you like by itself, but it's gonna give you that inspiration that you need to go take action and really get crazy with your brand. And so you could definitely like study these people right here, Under Armour, Nike. Even like Rome. I never heard of Rome before. You go look them up. Look how they do content on Instagram and TikTok. Look how they present their website. Look at how, their ads that they run, and like really just study them. Success leaves clues. And whatever they're doing that makes them successful, you can go implement in your own brand. All right, way number 3 is coming up with designs for your clothing brand. Now, it's going to be one of the biggest keys, because once you have a brand, once you got a name for your brand, you know what your brand is about, you have a brand message, the designs, the actual like print that you put on your garments is what's really people are gonna know you for that. Like this hoodie right here, we call this our 1 year hoodie, got our logo, got the working silence, which is also the talking. People know our brand just like off this hoodie. Like if they see this hoodie, if they see me wearing this hoodie right now, they'll be like, oh, I've seen that hoodie like so many times before. And they'll know that it's from Sailor's Lifestyle. And so you want to have a key design. You want to have one main design that like people know you by. And so if you need some help coming up with that banger design that's going to really blow up your brand, you can come right in here and say, give me some ideas for a design for my clothing brand that's based on, let me think. Let's say a clothing brand is based on money, on getting money, or I say on money and getting rich. Boom. Quick. $sign or stack of money, image of a person reaching or holding for a bag. Tough. Silhouette of a city skyline with the rising sun or shooting star, symbolizing the idea of reaching for success. That's crazy. Motivational quote, colors like gold, silver. Yeah, like really crazy. Give you a whole bunch of different ideas that you could go get crazy with. You could go get a graphic designer to make these for you, or you can make them yourself. Like just make all of these, see what works best, and then put your own creative choice and spin on it. But like that's really insane. Like I would have never thought of this stuff right here. Like that's crazy. As your brand continues to grow, you could come with a bunch of different designs for your audience. When you're first starting out, you want to have that one main design that people know you for. Now that you have that design, step number 4 is going to be coming up with the actual design itself, the creative process. So once you have an idea for the design, now we're going to actually design it. And you may be thinking of some different ways that you want to design it. So let's use this example right here. Let's say, let me pick one of these. Let's say a silhouette of a city skyline with the rising sun or shooting star, symbolizing the idea of reaching for success. I like them over here. So I'm going to let you copy and paste this. And we're actually going to go outside of ChatGPT real quick. Before we come in here to Google, there's a whole bunch of different websites. If you type in AI image generator, like there's a bunch of different websites you could hit up. I was playing around with this one right here called hotpot.ai. And you see, turn imagination to art. Our text to image AI empowers anyone, yada, yada, yada. Yes, you come in here, literally copy and paste whatever from ChatGPT. Boom. And then there's different styles that you can choose. So you got anime, 3D black and white, 3D general, 3D general 2. Like whatever you want, whatever style you want your brand and your design to be based on. They got like some Picasso type ish in here. Sculpture. I'm gonna go in here. I like the little 3D general. I'm gonna click that. Silhouette city skyline. Boom, you come here and click create. You could go down and make an account so like you get better quality and whatnot. But just for the sake of testing it, we're gonna see what this comes up with. Boom. Silhouette of the city skyline with the rising sun shooting star, symbolizing the idea of reaching for success. Look at that. Like, that's really crazy. Like it just made that off of me typing that in. And so that you don't have to copy and paste that actual design. You could take that just as inspiration, like I said, and then you could go add some stuff into it, go on Photoshop, make your own design. But like literally whatever you want, even if I try this in a different style, let's say I do line art, boom, same thing, and then click create. Come back up here. Boom, like a whole different style. That gives a whole different vibe right there, just by me changing the style. And so yeah, really get crazy. You could take the ideas that ChatGPT gives you and put it inside of another AI image generator website and really just get creative with your process for your designs. Now that you have a creative design for your brand, now you gotta advertise it. And so let's say you want to run Facebook ads, Instagram ads, TikTok ads. You're going to need some good creatives and some good copy. The caption that goes under the creative, the video, or the picture of what you're selling. And so ChatGPT is going to help you write the best copy for your ads. Let's say you got a brand that's about fitness, right? Let's say you want to run an ad for a hoodie that you got, a workout hoodie for men's fitness. Let's say, write me a sales copy, or we'll say ad copy, for a black hoodie. Let's say a black workout hoodie let's just say that's on sale for 20% off for a clothing brand we'll call the brand Gymtastic. I don't know, like literally whatever. Boom. Look at this. Get ready to dominate your next workout. The ultimate comfort and style. Gymnastic black workout hoodie on sale for 20. That's just insane. Like, how? It gives you the code and everything. Gives you the website. Like, I don't even know what to say to that. So yeah, y'all can use that to go get right with your ads. Maybe you want to make it a little bit shorter, for the Instagram or TikTok, because people got short attention spans. But that is insane right there. So that's way number 5. Use this, as you see right there, just off of this. Use this to write your ads. Don't write your own ads. Use this to write your ads for your clothing brand. All right, so the last way number 6 to use ChatGPT to blow up your clothing brand is to use it to make content. Content is king. Social media is literally changing the game, the way we do things. So it's important, if you want to grow a successful clothing brand, you need to have good content on social media. And so one of the biggest things with content is honestly just coming up with ideas for it. You want to be posting consistently. And so it's going to be easy to, run out of ideas or run out of options, or you don't know what to make sometimes. And so here we go. You can use ChatGPT to help you, give you some inspiration. Let's say you're going to be on, or let's just say for any platform, any social media platform. Let's say, give me some content ideas. I'm going to use our brand, Say Less Lifestyle, because I was in here playing around earlier, and the stuff it was telling me was literally the exact stuff that we use for our brand, and even gave me some other ideas. And I was like, yo, this is crazy. So give me some content ideas for my motivational fitness brand called Say Less Lifestyle. Boom. Creating workout challenges, sharing the progress, success stories of participants. 2, sharing tips and tricks for leading a healthy life. 3, sharing inspirational stories. 4, creating workout plans. 5, collaborating, research on fitness, collaborating with fitness influencers, creating video content, sharing motivational quotes, keep your audience motivated, fitness class, how to stay motivated. It really gives you, I'm going to do another one just for example. Let's say, because that's really insane. Let's say your brand is streetwear. Give me some content ideas for my clothing brand that's based on men's, let's say, high fashion streetwear, just to switch it up. Highlighting the latest fashion trends, sharing behind the scenes content from photo shoots, collaborating with fashion influencers, creating lookbooks. I don't know if there's anything this thing cannot do. This is really crazy. And so yeah, you could definitely use this to get some content ideas for your brand. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, whatever social media you're on, just use this to give you some inspiration and put out that consistent content, because content is king. Content will take you to the top. Content is how people find out about your brand from all across the world. So with that being said, I hope y'all were not only entertained, not only amazed, but y'all got some value out of this video about 6 ways to use ChatGPT to blow up your brand. It's really crazy what this thing can do. And so you just gotta use it to your advantage. Use it to get that inspiration, to get that spark that you need to take the next step in your brand, really take it to the next level. So with that being said, I'm gonna get up out of here. My name is Eddie Scott. Be sure to leave a like if you enjoyed the video. Be sure to comment what videos you want to see from me next. Comment your thoughts on this because this was really crazy. Like I'm still at a loss for words, for real. Be sure to subscribe if you're new. Join the family. Turn on post notifications so that you never miss another video. If you want to start your own clothing brand, or you already have a clothing brand, really want to take it to the next level, be sure to check out that first link in the description. I just dropped a new ebook about how to start your own clothing brand. Everything that we learned over the past 2 years is in that book. So you're doing yourself a disservice if you don't go get that. Hey, I'm out of here. Let's get it.